Greetings everyone. Welcome to the course of Puppet 5.0 Essentials for Configuration Management. My name is Abdul Basit and I am a certified professional with expertise in open source cloud systems and mobile core networks. I have over 3 years of experience in deploying and managing open source cloud systems and using Puppet for configuration management and deployment of large-scale cloud systems. I also have experience in using configuration management tools such as Ansible and Puppet for orchestration and automation of various virtual network functions in mobile core networks. Okay, so enough about me. Let's review what we will learn in this course. In this course, in the first section, you will start by learning how to install Puppet and how to do the basic configuration for a basic master node setup. We will also see the basic architecture of Puppet and see its operating model and how it works to act as a configuration management tool. In the second section, we will learn Puppet programming and how to use Puppet as a configuration management tool. In that section, we will learn what are Puppet manifests, their different types, and the different scenarios in which they are used. In the third section, we will focus on two prime concepts. Firstly, how Puppet as a configuration management tool can be used to manage multiple nodes. Secondly, how to manage security between the master and slave nodes to prevent any unwanted intrusions into our network. In the fourth section, we will dive deep into the code of Puppet and learn concepts and see practical examples of how Puppet code is segregated in classes and how to use these classes to form different Puppet modules. In the fifth section, we will focus on hierarchies to get configuration data in Puppet. So we will see how to use modeling languages such as YAML and JSON to write reusable code in Puppet. In the sixth section, we will learn how to use Puppet for Windows configuration management of different files and packages and learn how to leverage Puppet's ability of configuration management across different operating systems. Lastly, we will learn how to use Git to manage Puppet code and how to manage environments with a Git control repository. The prerequisites for this course is that you should have a laptop or system which is at least able to host 2 virtual machines. Also, it is expected that before taking this course, you have a very basic knowledge of the Linux operating system and its commands. Also, a very basic understanding is needed for the Windows operating system. So let's get started.